Hello, today I would like to show you answer for a common problem that you will eventually stumble upon while working with obsolete device. If you would like to fix an old device, and the problem is leaked batteries. That one is rechargeable, but the same thing can happen with alkaline batteries that was left inside of device, and they leaked pretty bad, and as you can see they created a really big mess. So couple years back I would just use a sandpaper on a tiny tweezers, and I'm going to scrape the terminals, but it takes a lot of time and the end result is not that great. Couple years in front, and I was using the Dremel tool with a very tiny ball at the end to clean that, but now I've got a completely different approach, and I'm using the chemical reaction by using the vinegar. I'm using absolutely the cheapest white distilled vinegar. I'm not going to show you the label because it's not needed. You just to find the absolutely cheap one that you've got in your store, and it will be good. I never have any problems. So this is the mess that happened with this rechargeable, and they are well branded. This is a good Germany brand, but it looks like you cannot beat 20 years of lying somewhere. Can this device have 20 years? I believe that it is possible. So let's see what we are going to do. Let me first remove the batteries, and as you can see we got the salt from the batteries, which is not good, and we are going to, this is a basic solution, and we are going to use the vinegar, which is acidic, and they will have a reaction. They will fight together like two opposing forces, and we should get a positive result, positive outcome. So this is how it looks. Let you take a look. Looks absolutely terrible. And I'm going to add the vinegar, and we are going together take a look what's going inside. And I'm adding. Can you see the reaction? I'm going to nicely feed into that gray glass tray, and this is safe for human consumption, so you do not need to wear any protection. And let's take a look. Does it look better? And I'm going to left it for some time to allow it to do the rest, but you can clearly see that in just a couple of seconds we make this looking really nice. We can help ourselves with a brush. Let's take a look once again, and it's looking really. Please focus. It's hard to focus. I'm sorry about that. But as you can see, it's looking really nice. Without any hassle, any problem. That's looking really, really nice. And we can grab the second one. Let me grab the second one. And this is the second battery tray I've got. As you can see, it's also looking absolutely terrible. And we are going to do the same process. As you can see, it's working. The acetic is finding the basic solution from our alkaline battery. And of course we are going to help with the brush. And what's the end result? That's looking really, really good in compare to what we have before. No scraping, no damaging the battery tabs. This is a really good way that I can recommend you. And of course you can reuse this solution because it's not going to be used after that small amount of the basic solution that it was eating. But of course you have to use a different flask with a label that it's absolutely not for human consumption, because not right now it's got dissolved stuff from the battery. So yes, this is the answer. That's how it looks like after a couple of seconds sitting in the vinegar. Of course you can scrape that if you want, but it's looking pretty good. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye. Oh no. We can see as an experiment what will happen if I'm going to put it. Just experiment. Let's see what will be the end result. I was just curious. So let's feed my knowledge. The reaction is going on. As you can see, it's looking really nice. I'm not sure if the vinegar is leaking inside, but clearly the terminal is absolutely amazing if you compare to what you've got before. You've got something like this, and after a couple of seconds you end up with something like that. So yeah, very nice solution. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time and bye bye. And don't do that, because that it won't give you any good outcome, because some battery have a holes like the Eneloop or the IKEA ladder, and you will destroy the battery. That was just an experiment. See you next time and bye bye.